This is the virtual tour of 896 Wescott Square, apartment 103 here on December 7th, 2015. Coming into the unit, you can see the buzzer unit to let people in or out of the building, and you can also talk to them and listen to them. We're going to look at this video here. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath place. It looks bigger in person than it does on the video. The video seems to make everything a bit small. But we're going to go ahead and walk through the unit. This is about 12 by 24 here. And you can see it's laminate floors, mini blinds in the window. This French door here is kind of an interesting design with the built-in mini blinds. It's maybe tough to see, but we'll zoom up a little bit. Built-in mini blinds never needs to be cleaned because they're inside the glass. Looking back, we see a nice closet right when you walk in the door. Hang your coats, and it's about 6 feet by 2 feet. Actually, it's probably about 8 feet on the inside by 2 feet deep. Nothing fancy, just a shelf with a rod. We're going to look back at the kitchen, breakfast bar. The kitchen is about 14 feet by about 15 feet. Nice clean sink. You have a dishwasher. Everything clean in the dishwasher. Even underneath the sink. We don't skimp here. Everything is decent under the sink. Stove. In this case, this is a brand new stove, never been used. Got the oven. Even what we put in here is these fire stop units, which you can't really see from the outside, but you can see if we look underneath them to help prevent fires. Once again, it's the fire stop system. Good cabinets, freezer, nothing fancy, but it does have all the shelves. Same with the refrigerator. Like I say, nice clean refrigerator. All the shelves are there. Oven, I don't know if we look in there already, nice and clean, all brand new. Fire extinguisher on the wall. Hopefully you never need to use that. Hopefully you never used to need the fire suppression system either under the hood. Window air conditioner. So that's what we have in this unit. And let's go look at the bedrooms. So the first bedroom is the smallest one. It's about 8 by 10. Carpet in the bedrooms. Closet. I believe these closets are about 6 by 2. So it's an 8 by 10 bedroom with a 6 by 2 foot closet thereabouts. This room happens to have the circuit breaker board in there. Once again, it's carpet floor. Setback thermostat on the wall. The master bedroom, which is what you call this bedroom, 12 by 11. Mini blinds on the window. About an 8 foot by 2 foot closet again. Nothing fancy. Shelf with a rod. Overlooks a park. If you can see the park out here, we'll kind of poke, obviously other apartments, but nice little park back there. And also a walking path around the park. So this bedroom, once again, is 11 by 12. 6-panel doors. Third bedroom is about 8.5 by 13. Mini blinds on the window. Closet. It adds an additional 8 feet by 2 feet about. Nothing fancy again. We're going to look one more time at the park here. Maybe we can see a little bit more. There's a kind of a jungle gym there, whatever you call it, with slides and other things to climb on. Coming out of this bedroom, we're going to see the linen closet. Five shelves and place to store your towels, whatever. Vanity, single sink vanity. Washer and dryer. These are full-size washers and dryer. A little intrusive to the bathroom, but everybody tells me that they rather have a full-size washer and dryer in the bathroom than even a smaller apartment size one. There's your toilet. Toilet paper holder. The shower, everything is shiny. Another towel rod. That's your hookup for the washer and dryer. But yeah, these are full-size Whirlpool Duets, which are decent machines. Whirlpool Duet there. And like I say, everybody really likes the washers and dryers in the unit. So the only place there's carpet is in the bedrooms. Otherwise, we have this laminate floor throughout. We're going to open up this. This is a brand new furnace put in I think it was March of this year. We'll look one more time at the kitchen. As you can see, there's a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Just going to walk through here and see them all. And then we'll do one more pan through the building and come back through the door. So mini blinds on the window. Not a lot of grass in here. There is the park in the back. Some islands, some places to park. Once again, the window air keeps it nice and cool in here. Just keep it on low. You can see there's somebody coming in. Pan back to the kitchen. Come into the front door. And that is the virtual tour of 896 Wescott Square, apartment 103, here on December 7th, 2015.